bear, come back.
Again!
Oh, little bear.
Yes, I know a cold when I see one.
Sorry.
Bigger and better. Oh no, keep away! That's better. No more sneezy Oakley.
Oakley sneezing? Why?
It's not safe out there. It's not safe in here. Not if you're a tower of bricks. I'll soon see to that. Acorns, stop being silly. There. Huh. You see? Easy when you know how. Ah. Oh, thanks, Bluebird.
Well, you're a bit cleaner, sort of.
Yes, but isn't he still a teensy-weensy bit?
Smelly!
It's the bathtub for you, young bear.
No!
You could have a squirt of my homemade perfume instead.
Nice.
I made it. I'm wearing it myself.
Yuck! Don't come any closer. He possesses gale for sneezes. Oh!
She's right. You've never heard sneezes like these.
Again!
How bad can one little sneeze be?
I think you're about to find out.
Whoa! Sorry. Again.
Here you go then, little bear. Hold on tight.
Oh, sorry, Holly.
Holly, are you all right?
I think so.
We'd better check everyone else is safe. Raggles, and there's Will, and Big Bear, and... Where's Little Bear?
He was here a moment ago. Hold on tight.
Little Bear!
Oakley's sneeze has blown him away.
Will, get the ghost speeder. Raggles, the twooter. Follow that kite.
It was fun.
I can't see him. Oh, which way?
We've lost him.
There he is.
He's landing. Hang on, little bear.
Oh, we'll never find him.
Shh. Listen. Safi! You've got him.
Phew. Thank you, Safi. Oh, let's be getting you down, little bear.
I think we found what's making you sneeze, Oakley.
Oh, quick, before he does it again. What is it?
You!
What?
Every time Oakley sneezed, you were flying around near him. I think it's your feathers.
My feathers, my beautiful feathers.
They are beautiful, but Safi said what's nice to some people can be...
Horrid?
No, not nice to others.
Nonsense! Everyone loves my feathers. They even smell wonderful. Now Holly sprayed them with her perfume.
Perfume?
Yes, smell for yourself.
Take cover, everyone!
Fly! Fly for your lives!
Okay, Oakley, let it rip!
I'm so sorry, Oakley. I never meant to tickle your nose with my perfume.
It's not your fault, Holly. I've had a sensitive nose ever since I was a sapling. In fact, I can smell something right now. Oh-wee! I think it's time we had that bath, don't you?
No!
You can have Bubbles and a duck.
Duck!
It might be an idea if you had a bath too. You don't want your perfume making Oakley sneeze again.
Good idea, Rosie. Come on, Bluebird. You can have a bath at my house.
Oh, OK. But I want the tap end.
Hey!
Look out! Coming into land!
You can't. There's nowhere to land. Look at all these toys.
Oh, good point.
I like playing inside on rainy days, but it makes a terrible mess. I know. Let's clean and tidy up the playhouse.
Oh, that doesn't sound much like fun. Why can't we play shops instead?
Oh, look! The sun's shining. I know a way we can play shops and get the house clean at the same time. Come on, Raggles, let's get busy.
Roll up, come and buy our special smoothies. Oh, yummy.
Ooh, looks tasty.
We've got a special offer today. Do one chore to help us get the playhouse clean and get a smoothie free.
I don't normally do chores, but those smoothies do look tasty.
Great. It's a deal then.
You'll be needing these. You missed a bit.
Oh, thanks. Aren't you supposed to be helping?
I am, but I think I'll do the windows round the back of the playhouse instead.
Don't forget your cloth.
Thanks. Nice doing business with you.
The pleasure's all mine.
Oh, sorry, Bluebird. I didn't mean to wake you.
Wake me? I wasn't sleeping. Resting my eyes, that's all. I've had a very tiring day. And you were going much too fast.
I know! Isn't my ghost speeder brilliant?
No, it's filthy. It could do with a clean.
I don't do clean. But I like the look of that smoothie. Where did you get it?
From Rosie and Raggles' store.
I'm on my way.
But you don't get them for free. Hello, Will. Would you like a smoothie too?
Oh, yes, please.
That will be a box of toys put away, please.
What, me? Tidy up? No way. I don't clean or tidy for anyone. Bluebird is right. My ghost speeder is really mucky. Maybe Rosie and Raggles have the right idea. But what could I swap to get my ghost speeder cleaned? Ouch! Ah! I know how to get my ghost speeder cleaned without lifting a finger.
Who's that?
It's Will. I wonder what he wants.
Let's find out.
Ta-da! Welcome to my shop, everyone.
What are you selling? I can't see anything.
Ah, that's because this isn't any ordinary shop. My shop is very cheap, and it delivers too.
Wow!
All you have to do is help to clean my ghost speeder, and then I will deliver a delicious, freshly picked apple. So who would like one of my delicious apples?
Oh, me please.
Yes, please.
There you go. And mind the paintwork.
But this is our idea.
And these are our customers.
Not anymore, they're not.
Now we're out of business.
Does that mean what I think it means? Oh, it's not half as much fun tidying up when there's only two of us.
Hey!
Look out! Coming into land!
You can't. There's nowhere to land. Look at all these toys.
Huh, good point.
I like playing inside on rainy days, but it makes a terrible mess. I know. Let's clean and tidy up the playhouse.
Oh, that doesn't sound much like fun. Why can't we play shops instead?
Oh, look! The sun's shining. I know a way we can play shops and get the house clean at the same time. Come on, Raggles, let's get busy.
Roll up, come and buy are gusting in my whole life. Oh, this is how you pay me after all that hard work. You must pay us all back.
Oh, but I don't know how to pay you back. I only have apples. Lots of them.
Ahem. I've got an idea. What if we join both our shops together?
Yes, I'll do anything. But what good would that do?
The apples might not be good for eating, but if I sweeten them up with some of the delicious fruits from my smoothies, they'd make great apple drinks.
And the ghost speeder makes a great mobile shop.
Brilliant! Thanks, Rosie and Raggles.
Come and get it!
Hooray!
Here you go. I hope these taste better than the sour apples I gave you.
I think they do, Will. I think they do. We're going to keep all our clutter at the playhouse so everyone can choose the things they like.
Clutter, you say? Ooh, I've got so much clutter. Follow me, little acorns.
Ah, a spot of recycling. Good idea, Rosie.
Buttons, bottle tops.
Great sticks! Bouncy, bouncy!
The bag's nearly full, little acorns. Nearly full? Oh, so where do I put the rest of my clutter?
Maybe we should find a way to collect everyone's clutter, Raggles.
Another great idea.
Thank you, Oakley. Oh, shells, beads, sequins. Oh, there must be hundreds. Do you really need them all, Holly?
Well, they do take up a lot of space. Oops! All right, I'll get some things ready for the clutter collection. But who do you think might want them, Bluebird?
Oh, I'm sure there's someone out there who could find a use for them.
Oh, I love your clutter cart, Will.
It's a turbo-boosted, supersonic,
Whatever it's called, it's brilliant!
Don't forget to pick up Big Bear's clutter.
I might just hang on to this wood. I'm sure I'll need it one day.
Come on, Big Bear. If I can get rid of my clutter, so can you.
I suppose my den will look better without it.
but the cart doesn't.
Let's take everything back to the playhouse.
Phew, made it. Yoo-hoo! I knew I had another piece of clutter. My old feathers.
No! Look!
Oh dear. Now your cart's a pile of clutter too. Sorry, Will.
Come on, let's find a good place to store these things.
That is a lot of clutter.
Never mind. One person's rubbish is someone else's treasure. Everyone can choose what they like.
Come to Bluebird. La 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 la.
Yes!
Hello, Mr. Robot.
Hold these, Big Bear.
My turn.
I want to play too. Whoa! Whoa! Sorry, Robot. It wasn't me. It was the clutter. It tripped me up.
We've still got so much left over.
We'll have to throw some things away after all.
But that'd be a shame. Let's make some more special things.
But everyone's got the things they want, Holly.
Not everyone. What about Oakley?
Oakley's a tree. Trees don't need anything.
Except sun, water and a gentle breeze. I've got a great idea.
Goodness me. What's this?
Hi, Oakley. We've got something
A very special something.
to show you. Ready?
Not really, but, oh, go on. Yes. I've never seen anything like it. What is it?
It's a wind sculpture, Oakley.
Or a turbo-boosted.
Supersonic breeze blaster! The wheels were mine.
It's just like you, Oakley. All it needs is sun, water
And wind. We didn't waste a thing.
See? Just like you.
Well, thank you. It's the most amazing thing I've ever seen. I'll treasure it.
Safi said one person's rubbish is someone else's treasure. We'll take it to show her too.
Oh, yes, you must. But not just yet. Oh, I could watch it for hours.